Hey Manny, this is Joe with Metro Design. I'm shooting this video for you as promised. I just wanted to point out 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return, keep building out your awesome business. Cool? Alright, so first things first, Google loves content. Okay, content is king when it comes to Google. So they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Okay, now this guy, he's got about 883 words on his homepage. Okay, so that's super nice for you because it's super easy to outrank him on his homepage, right? All you have to do is add 1,500 words of content onto your homepage, right? I also recommend another thing that's really going to help you is add in keywords to your content. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area. Okay, so once you start ranking for those keywords, obviously you're going to start bringing in a lot more leads that way as well, right? Another thing that Google likes is big built-out websites. Okay, and that means the more pages on your website, the better. Okay, now this guy is sitting at about 13 pages. Okay, so to outrank him in this area, you're going to want to do 14 pages. Make sense? So as many pages as you can, the better. Okay, and then for your services, each of your services, right, needs to have their own page. That's definitely going to help make your website as big as it can get. Okay, just like this guy did here. And then on your service pages, Google is still looking for content, so they're looking for about 500 to 700 words. Okay, this guy did only 500 words on his back pages. Okay, so once again, pretty simple. Just add 600 words to your service pages and outrank him in that area as well. All right, we're trying to outrank him in every area that we can on his website, so it makes it super easy for Google to choose your website over his. All right, and then moving on to backlinks. Right, backlinks are super important. This is what's going to help you rank on Google. Okay, and if you have good quality backlinks, this is what's going to help you rank on Google super fast. Okay, backlinks are super important because if you have like an awesome website, but with no backlinks, no power getting passed to your website, your awesome website is just going to stay at the bottom and nobody's ever going to see it. Okay, and that's where backlinks come in, and that's why they're super important. All right, and backlinks is basically like a popularity contest between websites and Google. Okay, the more websites you have more websites you have pointing back to you, Google thinks you are more trustworthy, more credible, so they're going to boost you to the top. All right, makes sense. So as you can see, your competition has 1,000 websites pointing back to him through backlinks. So Google definitely thinks this guy is super credible, so that's why he's #1 on Google. Makes sense? Cool. And then you can also see how many keywords he's ranking for, right? 2,000 keywords, which is a lot, which is really good for this guy, right? Keywords, once again, are what people are searching for on Google in this area, right? So the more keywords you are ranking for on your website, the better, right? That means a lot more people are going to be able to find your website. He has 2,000, right? So awesome work there. Keep in mind when adding keywords to your content, not all keywords are created equal. Some have higher search volume than others, and some are a lot easier to rank for than others. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind when adding keywords. Don't want to screw yourself over by adding crappy keywords. That's it for this video, right? You can see he has an awesome website, awesome amount of keywords, good credibility power. Because he has all of those 3 things, he's bringing in 265 leads per month to his website. Okay, so that's super awesome, right? Definitely shows you that a website has potential. Okay, what would that number do for your business, right? I'm sure it would be night and day. So definitely something to think about, definitely something to take advantage of, right? That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions or want any help implementing what I shared in this video. Okay, you can call or text me at 515-468-3039. Thanks for watching. I'll call you tomorrow. I'll make sure you received it. I'll hopefully get some feedback. But yeah, thanks for watching once again, and have a great day.